Welcome back to another video. So how you can restore all tabs in Edge browser which were recently deleted, okay, recently deleted or closed. So how you can do that, how you can restore, okay. So first we close this Edge browser, okay. Now we have closed our Edge browser accidentally. Now we have to restore it, okay. So how we can do that? Just click on three dots here, right hand side, okay. When you click on it, there is a history tab, okay. So click on a history tab. When you click on history tab, go to recent close, okay. When you go to recent close, here here you can see the all recent tabs, okay. When you click on it, it will restore all session, okay. So that's it. This is for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.